Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Sekhukhune 2. I'm joined by the advocate of mob justice football.
Thabo Wabutlali.
It's Thabo George.
Yeah, Thabo George Wabutlali. Congratulations for the new hairstyle.
It's the original.
This is the original, the most expensive one. They are raising a white flag one by one.
Yes.
Chiefs has raising a white flag to surrender to Mamelodi Sundowns. Sekhukhune today have just raised a flag, a white flag. You know, in defense, when you want to surrender, you must just raise a white flag.
Yeah.
Then it's a sign that you are surrendering, you are giving up on the battle. So that's where Sekhukhune are raising a white flag. What does this really mean? It really means that Coach Cardoso has really mastered, and the squad rotation, Kuri, you won't even be able to see that a certain player is not there because all of them, they tend to get opportunity at the same time. But let's first start with Sekhukhune, where we are just going to say farewell to Coach Siema.
He's gone.
It's one of those coaches that I feel like the grace is not really shining on his plate.
That's true.
Has been once fired at Black Leopards, has been fired at Chip, has been fired at Golden Arrows. Sekhukhune, now it's a rebound again. Last time, yeah. This time, Bamukubelo is winning too much. And he's going to be rehired again, and he'll be fired when he's on position number 2. It just shows how disrespectful we are towards our own product.
That's true.
If we really love this football, we could done better than what is happening now.
Yes.
You just go and fire a coach because you are winning too much. He's just finished beating Amazulu, beat it cheaper, but you are saying that you are shining too much.
I don't understand it.
You are fired. How? You will never know, Steve. I think it's just respect that is being portrayed to our own NSL. And I think I'll also speak about those that they love fraternity, that has been on the fraternity, those that are studying towards fraternity. At some point, you say that this particular player is a team manager because he has been with the team. You don't go and hire someone with the expertise, someone that has studied to be in that environment, someone that will betterly advise the managers, that one that will advise the people that own the team that this is how it must be done. I think if we can do this and that, then it can be much better. Then you go and take a former teacher whom is a permanent assistant coach. You hear from that particular person, do you think your product is going to be well? Not really. Some of us, we are seasoned administrators. We've been in this industry for 10 years plus, counting even now. But what we can just see being portrayed, I think PSL, through the CEO, Manto Madlala, they must also try and implement that at least in each and every team, at whole NSL, either Betway and NFD, there must at least be one graduate that would at least put some sense advice, because this thing of former players and coaches that done teaching, it's not really taking us anywhere.
I spy.
Siema, when he come back at Sekhukhune, he said, at least I don't want to face the fire alone. Katano Tambo, come, be closer to me. Yeah. So that someone that has been there for a very long time, go and Google Stibo, go and Google permanent assistant coach of Sekhukhune.
Yeah.
Someone that has been there so that it can be protected from him.
Yes.
You can't succeed from that environment. It's toxic. So I'm saying farewell to our legend, Coach Siema. We know what you are capable of. We admire your work. It's just unfortunately our product is not being sold at the right price.
And sad.
Let's go to Mamelodi Sundowns. A beautiful goal where Pumzoma Nenje will say, Chikoro Chamanak by Sales.
What does that mean?
You see, even when Victor Shongwane comes, we say that goal was scored in line with the proper law of the game. That's the goal of Sales.
Yes.
Look, Mamelodi Sundowns, as I've highlighted, great squad rotation. Today there was February, but you can't even notice that it's the third goalkeeper.
That's true.
Sales and Ukekana combination it's coming very well, but I'm a bit worried about their rest defense. It tend to be creepy, more especially when you're playing with the third goalkeeper. That's where we saw the second goal coming through.
Yes.
Oh, Primitiva, Tapelo Matrapas, I think Tapelo is a legend of Mamelodi Sundowns. We can't take away from that from him. He has saved the club with the dignity. I mean, like a team being scored by a whole goalkeeper. Tapelo Mrenavele was a goalkeeper yesterday. There was chances that even today could be a goalkeeper. But he just went and scored a beautiful goal. Yeah. You see them, they lie deep. If they're playing low block, then they will do diagonal passes. One time, then the cross comes in, then it's a goal just like that. Credit must go to Batusi Obas, Tibuko Mukwena, and Marcelo Allende. I think they're at the midfielder. That's where they are winning it. Each and every time, they complement each other. Yeah. You see that Obas will come. You see that Mukwena will also come and make it so simple. But when you go into the progressive phases of Mamelodi Sundowns, I think they have speedy players, skillful players. Lucas Ribeiro, that continues to score each and every time. Because the one that are on position number 2, we got Hamad 4-1. The one that is position number 3, they got Hamad 4-2. So the biggest question is, how is the coach going to face them? You must speak with boldness. Today, my loan move to Kaizer Chiefs has just been approved by London. So I'm temporarily, you see. So Chiefs is our last hope. Comes at Lucas Moripe. They are going to represent us very well. So I have these other issues that I want to mention. During the game of Mpeni Home Defenders and Mamelodi Sundowns, Grandstand B at Lucas Moripe was declared unsafe.
Why?
I don't know, but officials of Mamelodi Sundowns declared Stand B unsafe. There's no update of any maintenance. There's no update of anything. My biggest question is, what does this mean to the supporters? I'm not pressing a panic button. It's just a fair question that I want to say. Did the city of Tshwane went and repair the grandstand B at Lucas Moripe? Or this was a panic move from Mamelodi Sundowns because I get Baba Kubile Kwako High, Baba Chakile Koting. The real owners are playing. So now we are left with no other option. I think that's where the importance of 2010 renovation or the stadium in Mabopane was supposed to be back. Because now you are left with 28,000 capacity, where you've just declared Stand B. Home Defenders, they just played, I think, 2 weeks back. It was declared unsafe. What does this mean to us as supporters? Should we go to Grandstand B? Is it safe for us?
We can die.
Not really, we can die. We are just asking from Mamelodi Sundowns. But lastly, I just want to ask SARS, when is SARS selling Royal AM? Pella, it cannot take forever. When are they selling it? Because even myself now, I don't blame Sundowns when they're saying, why is Paris not playing? But we are not featured. Should we just go and say, come here to Orlando? It doesn't work like that. We don't just go. We are invited according to the fixture.
It's true.
The first fixture, we were supposed to play Royal AM. We supposed to play Golden Arrows. Today, we're supposed to play Royal AM. Should we fixture ourselves? No, we can't. But we have a lot of pressure in these burdening fixtures that remains just like that. It just shows how the ESCO of PSL are not even taking us serious.
Talk about it.
Because we're supposed to play, but we can't play because we are not fixtured. Should we just send Ndlondlo, go to my room and play there? But to Kraboma, when the official from SAFA, how will they be appointed without a fixture? Because we want to play. We're supposed to play because we used to this 42 hours. I'm even surprised when Gatos is crying because we used to play this when we were playing the preliminary or KEF and MT and the league at the same time. We used to do that. But now we are not being featured. SARS, when are you selling this?
Once and for all.
Or PSL, ESCO, when are you booting them out? Because I agree you've just booted them out of Nedbank. Why can't you just put them out of the league as well? Because we want to play, but we can't be able to play.
That's such a good question.
I'm told that SABC is also looking for commentary, and I'm going to try to do this.
Audition right now.
I fara mswana pati usio pasi nga mlenjo wa chaula. Ria pole le koforonga na mswana wa ripero. Ripero kwamba na pole le nga mlenjo wa chamonde. Mlenjo wa chamonde chipasa kroso. Says Alira. Yakora Mamelodi Sundowns. Hata kwa muhuba muhuru va Old Peter Mkaba Stadium. Muhuba wa timu ya Mamelodi Sundowns bachikori. Danke, 3 points. I think they're points, but I was also looking on the back of the points. Ne? I received. The morning water, lead the anointing oil. I'm supposed to be far by now. Hey, the anointing oils are not ready. I get to use span, but Salika I very excited to interview sports. Ne, I agree. It was morning water. It just say, I receive. Yeah. But I think the goats are on the field. Eh, but to Tlachatal, go Minyela Sundowns too. I was retire. Kuru tshwana le setlhare jo dilo tse le ka ra di span. But Chiefs is our last hope.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Yeah.
George.
Thank you, my leader.